Solve the equation 3 sine 2 theta is negative 0.6 for negative 180 to 180. So it's a different range, don't worry. So first thing, divide both sides. So we get sine 2 theta. We're in degrees. This was in radians, wasn't it? So I'm just going to go and quickly change myself into degrees so I don't stuff that up. And so the principal value is going to be for 2 theta. So we're going to go shift sine negative 0.2. And that gives me negative 11.54. Now, this is 2 theta. So I need to go from negative 360 to 360 when I'm solving for 2 theta. And then when I divide by 2, everything will fall back into the right range. Okay. So let's think about the cast diagram. That very first angle is here, 11.54, negative, so it's down that way from 0. And the other one for a sine would be here. So that would be 11.54. And we're starting from negative 360 and going twice round. So negative 360. So that would be negative 180 on the first time round. And then we've got that. And then this one here is the negative 11.54. And then we'll keep going. And on the second time round, this will be 180. Add the 11.54. On the second time round, that one's 360. Take away 11.54. So, what have we got? So it will be negative 180, add 11.54. So we've got to negative 180 and we went forward another 11.54. And then we've got the negative 11.54. And then we've got 180 plus 11.54. And then 360 take away 11.54. And remember, those are all for 2 theta. So let's sort those out. So I've got negative 180, add 11.54, negative 168.46. So 11, negative 11.54, that's an obvious one. The next one's 191.54, that's easy. And then we've got 360, take away 11.54, which is 348.46. And then theta should fall nicely into this range, so we just got to divide them all by 2. So 168.46 divided by 2, 84.23, negative 84.23, and then 11.54, divide that by 2, 5.77, would be negative, and 191.54, divide that by 2, 95.77, and then 348.46, divide that by 2, 174.23. So they all do fall in the range.